You can create this simple look using 3 layers ashoke in less than 3 minutes. So what we are going to do is look for a 3 layers ashoke, grab an office pin, and you get your rubber band, ear band, or anything band, and you're going to create this simple edge wrap for your next toe and bear. When you grab the band, raise it like this and fold a bit in, then begin to pleat down bit by bit. Hope that explanation is key enough. So once you are done pleating everything down like this, you need to replace your hand with an elastic band, and that is my own elastic band. Whatever band you want to use, it is left to you. Now after using it, I'm going to just direct the excess to the back of my head after pleating it down the way it is being displayed on my screen like this. So I will take it to the back, gently raise my hair up. So once I raise my hair up, the material will come under, and I will direct excess forward. So you see the part that is pleated, I'm going to place it on my hair and take the longer part, which is the excess. I'm going to take it round it just once like this, and when I get to the side, I'll be working with the side by spreading it out and begin to make rough pleats with it. Just pick the pleats gently, it will follow each other, but try as much as you can to make it neat. Okay, so after placing it like that, I'm going to take the excess round my head and continue to pleat it down till I get to the last part of it, like where I'm going to finally secure the excess. So you can either secure the excess using office pin or securing it by tucking it in somewhere somehow. Okay, so you come back to the front and get the front well laid. As I told you, make sure your pleats are neat. So after knitting up the pleats, you're going to grab the angles of the pleated part. You use your band to replace your hand earlier. Pick the angle, and you're going to secure the angle with one of the pleats I made here using your office pin. You know, I told you to get an office pin before we start, so that is an office pin I'm using to secure it there. And once I secure it, I'm going to stretch out a bit, and you might decide to secure the other angle or you leave it the way it is. It's all depends on you. So this is the look here, and I'm trying to adjust all necessary parts before I finally remove my hand and rock the edge wrap to my occasion. And now here is the final look. So I told you, it is not only almighty round gele that you can rock, you can create a very unique style on your own and you're good. Here is the back, and finally the look is just out the way I think it should be. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Practice, practice, practice and learn. Thanks for watching.